Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about spherical coordinates. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to convert about Cartesian coordinates into about spherical coordinates. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this is about x, this is about y, this is about z. We have the first formula in here. That's about x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals to rho squared. We can find about this one first. Now we have x, y, z. So we put the number going here. This one going here. And this one going here. So we calculate about this one. And we got about 49. So we put the square root for the both sides. And we just accept about the positive number in here. So we have the formula in here. We know that I will choose about this one first, because this is the technique to find about this one. And we can find about phi. So we know that z equal to number 0. We put number 0 in here. Rho, we just have number 7. So if we want to get about 0, this one should be equal to b over 2. After we got about number 7 and phi, you got about b over 2, we can find about theta in here. So sine of b over 2, you got about number 1. So I just write about 7 cosine theta. And number 7 sine theta. So we know that's x and y. That's it about this one. So we simplify number 7, 7, 7, and 7. We see that the square root of number 2 over 2 similar for this one in here. So in this situation, we only want about theta equals to b over 4. Because sine of b over 4 equal to cosine of b over 4. That's about the square root of number 2 over 2. And now we can write the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.